my face, my head on her waist. This shit on my cook, got me feeling in space. Stay out the way.
What's up, y'all? Hemi Baz with another video. Today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna be installing these LED lights on my dashboard. This will be my second modification to the car. First I put the louvers on in the back. I think that's really the only thing that I've done so far. I got other stuff coming in, so y'all stay tuned. And I will also be making installation videos for that as well. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get straight into it. But real quick, I'm gonna just show y'all the car since we out here. It's a decent day today. It's a little cloudy, but I'm gonna show y'all the car right quick. And just make sure y'all drop a like, subscribe, all that, comment, share the video, do what you gotta do, you feel me? Let's get to 100 subscribers by, I'll say, in the next month. Yeah, so let me show y'all the car right quick.
I ain't saying I agree, my love. I'm just telling you the things that I see, my love. I got drinks, dope, sex, and cash. Those are 4 things I can guarantee, my love. Hey, baby girl.
All right, so first things first, we're gonna open the box and see what goodies we got in here. We'll have this plugged in. LED lights, little tool. This is these are the Maldaner atmosphere lights. I think I don't know if I said that right. I think these are they're like $25, $30. I want to make it nice and easy for y'all so y'all can just watch the video and, feel me, install these lights like that. I lost the remote again, fuck.
Shut your lame ass up, nigga.
Nah, I deadass keep losing this shit. What the fuck? There we go. Alright, so first thing we're gonna do, you're gonna grab your wires and you're gonna have one of them are very thin and the other one is like a tube almost. So if you look at it, you see there's like a little hole right there. So what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to feed this wire through these. So right now I will do that right quick.
This is Alpha and Omega, bitch. Welcome home. This is not a song. This is a revelation. How to get a nigga gone. I need you a man, baby. I don't understand, baby. Pay your bill and make you feel protected like I can, baby. Teach you something if you need correction. That's the plan, baby. Don't put your life in these weird niggas' hands, baby. It's not enough. Few solid niggas left, but it's not enough. Few bitches that'll really step, but it's not enough. Say you bigger than myself, but it's not enough. I get on their ass. Yeah, somebody gotta do it. I made them niggas mad. Yeah, somebody gotta do it. I take the G-Pad. Yeah, watch a nigga do it. We survived outside, all from the music, nigga. What? Hey, turn this TV off. Ain't with my type activities, and don't you get involved. Hey, what? How many shit I seen? Send them all. Take a risk or take a trip. You know I'm tripping for my dog. Who you with? Couple sergeants and lieutenants for the get back. This revolution been televised. I fell through with the knickknacks. Hey, young nigga, get your chili up. Yeah, I meant that. Hey, black out if they act out. Yeah, I did that. Hey, what's up, though? I hate a bitch that's hating on the bitch, and they both hoes. I hate a nigga hating on them niggas, and they both broke. If you ain't coming for no chili, what you come for? Nigga feel like he entitled, cause he knew me since a kid. Bitch, I cut my granny off and she don't see it how I see it. Got a big mouth, but he lack big ideas. Send him to the moon, that's just how I feel. Yeah, it's not enough. Few solid niggas left, but it's not enough. Few bitches that'll really step, but it's not enough. Say you bigger than myself, but it's not enough.
Are we really sure that our love that lasted for so long still?
Alright, man, I'm back. What we're gonna have to do is we're gonna measure, not really measure, but we're gonna see how much of this we need in the areas that we want, and then we're gonna have to snip some shit off. So actually, let me go and get my scissors right quick. Got the scissors. So basically you can cut these in as many pieces as you want. Well, not as many pieces as you want. I think you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think it's like 6.
I just been right on the highway.
6 of these little prongs. I don't know. Y'all learn from me. Y'all learn from me, and then y'all can go ahead and do it right.
See, my whole bottles
I'm gonna try and feed this wire through this funnel. Alright y'all, so I'm pretty sure I did it right. It's just that it's daytime right now, so it's a little bit, like, you can't really see the lights. I feel like that's why I've been thinking I've been doing it wrong the whole time. This is actually how it's supposed to be. I put my hand over it. I put my hand over like one part and I can actually see the colors. So that means that I'm doing it right. I'm gonna finish installing it for y'all and then show you the final look. At the end of the video, I'm probably give y'all like a night shot of what it looked like. All right, y'all. So about an hour or two of struggling and sweating, figured it out. Finally got it installed. I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like real quick. All right. So for the most part, everything is actually hidden, but so I'm gonna show y'all where I put it. So as you can see, we got this right here. These are the little lights. So I got it right here on the main dash, all the way around. I got it on the doors right here, as you can see. And then we got it on the main, on this piece right here. What I'm gonna do right here, I'm gonna put like super glue or something on it so that at nighttime it doesn't look all janky like this. I got it all right here on the other door too, and that's it. So both doors down here and up here, you know, I can't really see it since it's daytime. Like, you're not really gonna see it that much because it's daytime, but at night it's definitely gonna look a lot better. I will put a clip in the video of what it looks like at nighttime, so y'all can actually see the final results of what this thing looks like. But I think it's gonna turn out pretty good, actually. Y'all stay tuned, and I will drop that clip, and I will also put the link for these. Y'all can get exactly what I got if y'all want these exact lights. Y'all stay tuned. All right, so right now we on the way to the gym, and as I told y'all earlier, I'm gonna show y'all what it look like at night. So I'm about to hop in the car in a second. Love to hear it. So like I said, man, looks great on the inside at night. I mean, I got this. There we go. Fix that a little bit. Yeah, man. Sheesh. Yeah, you feel me. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe. If y'all want to see more installation videos like this, drop a comment. Let me know what I should do next. With that being said, Hemi Baz out.
You must forever.